student, welcome to my YouTube channel Solving Tech. Myself Naren Sharma. Today I am going to discuss with you about prime number and composite number. So student, please watch this class very attentively. If you have any question related to the today's class, please comment to me. Again, please subscribe and share this my channel so that more and more students can get benefited. So let's start today's class. So student, you already know about the natural number. Natural number. You know the natural number starting from 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. All the counting numbers are collectively known as natural number. Now, except one, all the natural numbers are either prime number or composite number. Now, we have to identify which are prime and which are composite. First, we write the definition of prime number and composite number. Then we find which natural number are primes and which are composite. So definition of prime number is, here I write the definition of prime number. The number which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. That means prime number has only two factors, 1 and that number. And those number which have only two factors, 1 and that number, is called prime number. Again, in composite number, you see the definition of composite number. The number which have more than two factors is called composite number. That means a composite number has more than two factors, while prime number has only two factors. The two factors of prime number are 1 and the number itself. But the composite number has more than two factors. So student, you got it. Prime number has only two factors, 1 and that number, while the composite number has more than two factors. So now we check the natural numbers one by one, which are prime and which are composite. Natural number 2. So first I find all factors of 2. 2 can be written as 1 into 2. That means factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Now we observe, 2 has how many factors? 2 has two factors, 1 and 2. That means 1 and the number 2 itself. So according to the definition of prime number, the number which has only two factors, 1 and that number itself, is called a prime number. So that means 2 is a prime number because 2 has only two factors, 1 and that number 2 itself. So that means 2 is prime number. Then 3. Finding all factors of 3, we get 1 into 3. So factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Again, in case of 3, you observe how many factors of 3? There are two factors of 3. They are 1 and 3. That means 1 and the number 3 itself. So 3 is also a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. Next, move to 4. 4 can be write 1 into 4, 2 into 2. So factors of 4 are factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. This time you observe. Finding all factors of 4, we get the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. It means 4 has more than 2 factors. 4 has more than 2 factors. So, by the definition of composite number, we get the numbers which have more than 2 factors is called composite number. So, 4 is a composite number. Composite number. Next, 5. 5 is 1 into 5. So factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So observe 5. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. That means 5 is a prime number. Yes, factor is a 5 is a prime number. It is because 5 has 2 factors, 1 and the number 5 itself. So 5 is a prime number. Prime number. Another example I give. I take 12. 12 is prime or composite. We need to check. So first we find the all factors of 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now observe how many factors of 12. 12 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 factors of 12. So 12 has 6 factors. That means 12 is a composite number. 12 is a composite number. In case of 13, 13 is 1 into 13. That means factors of 13 are 1 and 13. So 13 is a prime number. Prime number. So now you get the idea which are prime, which are composite. Just you find all factors of the number and then find whether it is a prime or composite. It will be prime if it has 2 factors, 1 and that number, and it will composite if it has more than 2 factors. Now I write the natural numbers from 1 to 50 and identify which are prime, which are composite. So let's see. Now student, you observe, here I write the natural number from 1 to 50. Now we select which are prime and which are composite. I encircle the prime numbers and ticked the composite one. You observe. So except 1, 2 is prime. 3 is prime. I encircle the prime numbers. 5 prime, 7 prime, 11 prime, 13 prime, 17 prime, 19 prime. Then 23, 29. After then 31, 37. Next one 41, 43 and 47. Anyone left? No. All are okay. So all the encircle numbers are prime number. That means 4 is composite, 6 composite, 8 composite, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22. All the tick numbers are composite and all the encircle numbers are prime. Okay, student. So you can also write all the necessary number from 1 to 100 and you find all the prime numbers and composite number. And it is very helpful to you if you memorized all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. It will be very helpful. So try to memorize them. And you have to memorize. Just you think you need to memorize all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So lastly, I write some key points related to prime numbers and composite number. So please observe. Key points. Some key points related to prime numbers and composite number. First, natural number 1. You observe, natural number 1, we do not included it either in prime number or composite number. That means 1 is neither prime nor composite. So first key point, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Very important key points. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Number 2 is the even prime number. 2 is the even prime number. This is also very important key points. All the prime numbers except 2 are odd. That means only 2 is the even prime number. In the prime number set, we get only even, that is 2. Hence, 2 is the even prime numbers. Number 3, 2 is the smallest prime number. Again, 2 is the smallest prime number. That means prime number starting from 2. So 2 is the smallest prime number. And the biggest prime number, we don't know. Since natural number, we don't know what is the biggest natural number. Hence, the biggest prime number also we don't know. Next, number 4. 4 is the smallest composite number. 4 is the smallest composite number. Like smallest prime number, 4 is the smallest composite number. So student, these are the very important key points. Please remember, so that the idea about the prime number and composite number becomes very strong. So student, I hope you got a lot of ideas related to prime number and composite number. In my next video, I also taking some new chapters related to mathematics. So please keep watching my channel. Thank you.